What if your text looked so good, people might actually want to take a bite out of it? Today, we're turning simple text into a delicious donut effect using AI inside Kittl. And this one is made for DTF printing. Forget flat text designs. We're talking fluffy baked dough textures, glossy icing drips, colorful sprinkles, and realistic details that make your words look like they came straight out of a bakery. So why does this work so well for DTF printing? First, the bright colors instantly catch attention. Second, thick text shapes help keep the design readable, even from a distance. Third, large textures and details create depth without making the artwork look messy. Details like icing drips and sprinkles give your print extra personality while still keeping everything clean. And designs that instantly grab attention usually perform better on apparel. Now here's the fun part about this prompt. It doesn't create just one donut style. It can turn any text into donut letters based on whatever flavor you want. Want strawberry glaze with rainbow sprinkles? Done. Chocolate covered with caramel drizzle? Easy. Blueberry frosting, cookies and cream, matcha? Go for it. And it's fully editable and customizable. You can change the flavors, icing colors, toppings, sprinkles, textures, highlights, and even the overall vibe. So instead of creating one design, you're basically creating an unlimited donut text generator. All right, enough staring at these delicious-looking letters. Let's jump into Kittl and start cooking up this design. Open Kittl and start a new project. Set the DPI to 300. Change the unit to inches and set the canvas to 11 by 11 inches, and then click Create. Paste the prompt in the text box and edit the word to replace it with the word you like. Make sure to use the Nano Banana 2 model. Change the aspect ratio to 16 by 9 and set the number of outputs to 2 for more options. After that, click Generate. And here's the result. With this method, the AI will generate a random donut flavor. But what if we specify the type of donut we want? For example, we can delete this part and change it to strawberry glazed donut. And here it is. Looks amazing, right? But what if I told you that you can do this with any type of donut? Just follow the same process by replacing the donut type, and you'll get results like these. Now let's try removing the background. Use the Remove Background tool and see how it looks. It looks clean. Now apply the same process to the rest of the donut designs. Now let's export these images. But first, let's match the image size to the artboard size. In this case, an 11 by 4 inch canvas is a safe choice. I'll speed up the process from here. Place the text designs inside the canvas, then export them. To do that, simply select the artboard first, then click the export icon. Set the resolution to 300 dpi, enable Remove Background, then click Export. Repeat the same process for the rest of the images.
Hey superstars, print shops and clothing brands are already using these prompts to create effects that used to take hours in Photoshop. Puff print, leather patches, embroidery, silicone, denim, they're all AI generated, all DTF ready, all proven on real fabrics. The playbook is in the description below. Now back to our video.
And if you want to print your design, visit our website, transfersuperstars.com, and click Build a Gang Sheet. Here, you can choose your preferred gang sheet size. Sizes range from 22 by 12 up to 22 by 100. You can also select the number of copies you'd like to order. Once everything is set, click Build your DTF gang sheet. When prompted, select Start a brand new gang sheet. Upload your images. Once the upload is complete, click on each of the images to place it onto the gang sheet. Adjust the size and orientation based on your preference. Duplicate the image as needed to fill the entire gang sheet.
Want professional grade designs without the steep learning curve? That's where Kittl comes in. It's the ultimate shortcut for designing and editing artwork in one place. Best of all, you can get 25% off of any plan when you use my link in the description. Stop searching for the next move and go build something with Kittl. We got our transfer, let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, let's take a closer look. I gotta be honest with you guys, it looks incredible. I honestly think I could take a piece and just eat it right off of the transfer. I can't swear to you that how 3D this looks, like really. Even the sprinkles, everything about this looks amazing. So I'm not gonna hold it any longer, guys. Let's get this on a shirt. For this project, guys, we're using a Style 402, a Smart Blanks blanket. It's a black tee. It feels great, it feels premium, and it works really well with DTF transfers. And for our heat press, we got this Power Press 15 by 15 clamshell. Let's get started. All right, we got the transfer right here. Real quick, we're just gonna make a good old center point. All right, looks good, guys. I already have our shirt prepared up here because I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't want to show you how much I was struggling just to put this in there, okay? Clamshells are nice if you're starting off, for sure. I do like this heat press, but I do gotta say it does, for production wise, does take a minute to get these things in here. So let's get this situated. I'm gonna put my fingers up right here. Looks good, looks straight. All right, now we're gonna heat press it real quick. Again, it's a 7-second press for 300 degrees. So the usual is waiting 15 seconds, but again, you can just, it is a hot and cold peel, so you can just peel straight away. Oh wow, ow, God, that is hot. Looks good. We are gonna double press it. We're just gonna use the back side of our film. That's the perfect part of it. Heat press it. All right. Now, let's take a closer look. Guys, let's take a closer look here. I gotta be honest with you, it looks even better on the shirt. It doesn't mean that I'm still not that hungry. Like, god damn, this looks delicious. I want to take a bite of each letter. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that the edges, everything's so clean. It's crazy. Oh my god, guys, we did such a good job, honestly. Well, there you guys have it. We turned simple text into a donut lettering. And I gotta be honest with you, it looks delicious. It came out a lot better than I expected. I love the edges on it. I could definitely see a lot of different companies, especially, you know, donut related, using this. So definitely, if you guys like this, please give us a like and comment what style we should do next. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video because I really enjoyed making it. And I'll see you guys soon.